Let's make nutritious beetroot rasam. Start by chopping beetroot and tomato. Pressure cook both vegetables with water. Let them cool once cooked. Grind with fresh coconut to make a smooth puree. Save the cooking water for later use. Heat water with turmeric, salt, jaggery, and curry leaves. Add more water and tomato Saaru powder for authentic flavor. Add soaked tamarind and the beetroot puree. Mix and bring to a boil. Prepare tempering with oil, mustard seeds, cumin, asafoetida, and pepper. Add red chili powder, pour over rasam, and add cilantro. Your colorful and healthy beetroot rasam is ready to enjoy with rice. Please like, share, and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.